Thank you.
Yeah.
Morning. How you doing? How many trams have gone up already? Been up for a while? There you go.
Probably about a dozen, maybe.
Why do you think there's no crowd?
Here.
Because it sucks.
Just
Frozen. It's going to be icy. It's going to be firm under there. I'm dead. I don't know. I haven't been up here before.
you think it'll be skied off by the dozen that already went up?
No, I just think it's just so light.
Oh, you think that
there's
whatever-
no moisture. There's no moisture content in the snow, and you just go right through it, right down.
Right,
the-
that's
whatever's in it. The steeper it is,
Whatever
it
we
is.
got wasn't enough. I think I'm gonna turn my ringer off.
Mark.
Is that me? Oh, that was someone else.
Where you at?
I think I'm still gonna turn my ringer off.
I just got on the tram. Yeah, I'd walk on.
What are you doing?
Ah.
Did I turn it off?
Yeah, maybe 6 or
Turn the large
so.
off.
Yeah.
Dylan and I are dealing with his blister. Kobe is coming up ran right after you.
It'll just walk on. Yeah. All right, I'll look for you. Yep. Tyler, you know how this cooler works?
What?
Oh, over here and look at this.
Oh wow.
You see the guy standing there? Yeah, that's the dog leg. So only one person skiing in there at a time, right?
Okay.
So
And
he's
then
waiting
halfway.
for that next guy to come down. Okay. And there's a big rock right below where that guy is. It's just a little bit buried now. Usually you can see it, so it just got buried. So he's going around that to that side right there. So
Oh, in the middle?
yep, there's a big rock. He's just going around it right now. That's the cheese curve. So one guy goes first, and then you can see from the top when he stops, and the next guy can go.
Yeah.
And then that guy waits, and then the next one goes. Okay.
Oh yeah, I see the rock.
I'm gonna do that first thing, but we'll see too. I've just been checking some bearings, so you can't get a little heads up. It's definitely falling over there. We'll go see. It's just a traversing. There's no jump side there on Corbett's, Jackson. You don't have to get in here. Just slide in and just make sure you see where that bump is at the top there, and just side slip until you know you're in balance. You got that next turn, right? You don't want to miss that first turn. Okay, I've seen it.
Yeah.
I got 3 weeks ago, then we'll go. But we got some other stuff to check out. No, sorry, more we'll do that first, because that's the run.
It's good.
It's the best run I've ever been. If it hadn't been open